morning, my viewers all over the world. I am Mr. Otemu Ogenenye teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Maths Success, irrespective of the class you are. God bless you. Now, if you have to solve this math, if A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 2, evaluate A plus BC all over BC minus A. Alright, and now say A plus BC all over BC minus A. Anywhere I see A, I will put the value. And the value of A there is what? 4. Plus, what is B is 3. And what is C is 2. All over B again, 3 times 2, which is C, minus 4. So here will give us 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Here is 6 minus 4. What is 6 plus 4 is 10. What is 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 here 1, 2 here is 5. So the value is 5. Okay, and we are asked to solve this. 2 into x plus 2 bracket close equals 12. You can open the bracket. You can say open the bracket, but I want to divide through by 2. By what is outside. This will go with this. This will come here to give us 6. So x plus 2 is equal to 6. Collect like 10. So x is equal to 6 minus 2. Because this will go there. It will change to what? Minus 2. And what is x is equal to 4. You can say no. Let's open the bracket. You can open the bracket. You can say 2 times x is 2x. 2 times plus 2 is 4. Is equal to 12. This is that method. You open the bracket. So you correct like 10. 2x is equal to 12 minus 4. 2x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. This will give us what? 4. So x is equal to 4. In whichever way you want to solve it, the value of x is 4. Now let me do number 3. X raised to power 2 is equal to 36. X raised to the power of 2 is equal to 36. Let me take it down, please. Let me take it down. X raised to the power 2 is equal to 36. Then x plus x over 3, x plus y is equal to 10. Y squared is what? Then the other one here says sum for x, which is number 4, in 4x plus 4 is equal to 4 factorial. Alright, let me do this first. I will call this equation 1. I will call this equation 2. From equation 1, which is now x raised to the power 2 is equal to 36. We can express it in the power of 2. So here is 6 raised to the power 2 give us 36. So the power are the same. So x is equal to 6. I will put this one in the value in equation 2. The value of x in equation 2 it says x plus y is equal to what? 10. So anywhere I see x, I'll put 6. 6 plus y is equal to 10. Now we collect like 10, y is 10. When this plus 6 crosses, it becomes minus 6. So y here is equals to 4. Therefore, what is now y squared is 4 squared. And what is 4 squared is 4 times 4. And what is 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do this. Here is 4x plus 4. What is 4 factorial? Is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So here is 4x plus 4 is equal to 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Collect what? Like 10. So 4x is equal to this 24. When this plus 4 crosses, it becomes minus 4. So 4x is equal to 20. So let's make x the subject of the formula. I will divide through by 4. 4 here 4. 4 here what? 5. So x is equals to 5. Stay tuned. Don't disconnect. I want to give you more. Okay. Alright, let us work on this number 5 and number 6. Simplify this. This is what we call nested square roots. Now, the root of 81 over the root and the root of another 81. First of all, let's find the square root of the numerator is 9. Then there's one root first. Now, what is the square root of 81 is another 9. So here will be 9. What is the square root of 9 again is 3. So how many times can 3 divide 9? Is 3. So the answer is 3. Now, we have to solve this equation. Now, let us talk about the product of 4. When you add the two numbers, it will give you 5. Is 4 plus 4 and plus 1. If you put 2 and 2, yes, you are correct, it will give you 4. But will it give you 5? No. So 4 and 1 will give you 4, and plus 4 plus 1 will give you what? 5. So what will be there will be x plus 4 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you group each of the brackets to 0. So x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to what? 0. So because I'm teaching learners, there will be 0 when this one can become minus 4, or x is this 0 when this one can become minus 1. So the value of x is minus 4 or minus 1. That is the value of what? X. Don't disconnect, still stay connected. Let me give you the last. Let me give you the last here. Number 7. 4x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 8. Then x is equal to what? Number 8. Find the value of x in the diagram below. Okay, there is now 50 degrees. Find the value of x. Okay, let's solve this now. So when you talk about finding x here we say 4x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 8. Collect like what? 10. So here is 4x. When this positive value crosses is equal to, change to negative 3x. I will first of all write this, not this. I will write 8. When plus 3 crosses, it becomes minus 3. Now, 4x minus 3x is 1x. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now, the sum of angle in the straight line is 180 degrees. So, x plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees in sum of angle in a straight line. Collect like 10. X is equal to 180 degrees. When plus 50 become minus 50 degrees. What is now 180 minus 50 is 130 what? Degrees. I want to encourage you to subscribe again to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success. God bless you.